The most important qualities of an orchestra for me are the feeling for playing together, for being an ensemble, of a deep respect to other musicians. It's very much about human qualities as well. With the chorus of the WNO, I'm really enjoying making music with them. This is completely different than opera singing, which can contribute to the development of the company. So for the orchestra and for the chorus as well. I'm very much looking forward to conduct Rosenkavalier and Fledermaus, pieces that are so great for each musician of the orchestra and give us the opportunity to continue developing the great qualities of the orchestra.